Feet. Today, titignan natin kung anong klaseng mga pagkain ang madalas kainin ng mga Tomasyan.
Siyempre, alam naman natin that Tomasians prefer food that are quickly made, madali at no hassle kainin. Pasok dito ang mga pagkain sa fast food.
Ang mga pagkain na to ay widely available around UST, kaya naman madalas siyang bilhin ng mga Tomasyan.
Pero hindi nila alam ang makukuha nila sa pagkain na ito.
Would be the convenience of having these establishments strategically located everywhere, as well as the food service that is really fast, as the term implies. On the other hand, for the negative effects, I believe that most of us know we are not just mindful about it, that these fast foods does not provide us with the essential nutrients needed for sufficient energy for us to engage in physical and strenuous activities. And so what happens is that we become less efficient and less productive in attending to our daily school activities.
Hello kuya, pwede ba namin tanungin kung bakit fast food ang pinili mong kainin ngayon?
Yung fast food kasi malapit lang dyan sa building namin. Yung McDo, ganyan. Eh, yung Carinderia malayo pa. Kaya ganun. Aware naman ako, pero malayo kasi yung Carinderia.
Oo nga eh, problema yan ng mga students ngayon, lalo na ng mga health conscious. Sige, thank you kuya!
Because of this problem na tinitiis ng mga Tomasyan, Rain and I will whip up a dish that's very healthy and very easy na pwedeng-pwedeng gawin ng kahit sinong Tomasyan. I guess you could call it one of those healthy-to-go dishes. So tara!
Kasama natin ngayon si Sushi Araga, one of our friends who is willing to learn how to make healthy dishes for a healthy lifestyle. Say hi, Sushi!
Hi guys! Thank you for having me.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng dish that's easy to take when you're on the go.
So guys, ano ba talaga yung gagawin natin ngayon?
Tuturuan namin kayong gumawa ng vegan parfait. It is just a combination of yogurt, a fruit of your choice, and granola.
So tara, let's start?
Let's start!
Unahin natin yung granola.
Granola.
Granola muna.
Ayan, I think okay.
Tapos, yung yogurt.
Wow, sobrang healthy.
So yung yogurt, kailangan ano lang siya, yung pure na yogurt.
Oo, kasi pag hindi siya pure, maghahalo yung lasa ng honey tsaka nung, let's say,
Anong next niyan?
yung banana. Kaya ano natin siya sa gilid.
Kailangan ba banana lang? Or pwedeng...
Hindi.
Other fruits,
Pwede namang
diba?
other fruits. Depende sa'yo kung anong gusto mo. Layer ulit natin yung granola. And this is our vegan parfait. Yay! To go with our healthy snack, syempre gagawa naman tayo ng healthy drink.
Gagawa tayo ng detox water. It is the most effective way to clean our body and eliminate dangerous toxins within. Pwede tayong gumamit ng cucumber, lemon, calamansi, minsan orange, and strawberry.
And that's our detox water. Simple yet refreshing.
Nice! Yay!
And these are finished products!
Yay! Oops! Wait lang. Instagram ko muna. Wait, sorry. Ayan. Tapos selfie rin tayo. One. Nice. 1, 2. Bango niya! Tikman na natin! Tikman na natin. Ang sarap.
Oh my God, lasa siyang... Masarap, lasa siyang ano... Banana cream pie.
Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap! Grabe!
Ang sarap talaga.
Guys, tikman nyo.
Hindi ako nagbibiro.
Gawin nyo na to sa mga bahay nyo.
Wala akong masabi.
Masarap.
Speechless ako.
Masarap. Kakalimutan nyo yung pangalan nyo.